What's going on, Giants fans? Welcome back to another episode of G Nation. And today I'm excited to talk to you about the Hog Mollies. Okay, now for anybody who's been living under a rock or hasn't been paying attention lately, as a Giants fan, we traded BJ Hill and we acquired Billy Price, former first round pick from the 2018 draft class. Um, Billy Price. 6'3", 311 pounds. Hog Molly. Then we acquired Ben Breedson, who is 6'5", 315 pounds. Matt Skura, who's 6'3", 313 pounds, and there was another one. That we just signed today. Corey Cunningham to the practice squad. 6'6", 313 pounds. So that's 4 Hog Mollies. Now Corey Cunningham is a tackle. Matt Skura is a center. Billy Price is a center. And Ben is a guard. So we signed 4 Hog Mollies for the offensive line. Kenny Wiggins was cut. Nate Ebner was signed back to the special teams. And JBoard was cut. And for the most part, they're restructuring this offensive line. Now, I'm sure some of you guys saw that Nate Solder will be starting over Matt Pert. We'll see how that goes. But, it looks like they're figuring out what to do with this offensive line, and they're gonna get this thing going. Also, Saquon Barkley, all signs point to a go for Week 1. So that's definitely optimistic. Definitely gives you cause for joy and a reason to cheer and be excited for the season opener. Be excited for football. Okay, fans are back in the stands. Saquon Barkley is back. Kyle Rudolph will be starting. Kadarius Toney. So it's gonna be all the weapons out on the field. Kenny Galladay is gonna be out there. So it's looking pretty good. It looks like they're getting it together. Hopefully the offensive line gels a lot sooner than later, and we can start getting some big chunk plays, some big gashes up the middle, around the corner. Just start getting this thing rolling. Open up the playbook a little bit and play some New York football, Giants football. Line up, punch you in the face, run down the field, and get it done. Walk away with the W. That's what it all boils down to, wins and losses, and we need them. We're going to go get them. I believe in Joe Judge and Patrick Graham. As I said, this defense is stacked, but this video is about the Hog Mollies. We just got 4 of them, okay? 4 of them to go with what we already have. And as you guys seen, they're not afraid to pull the trigger. If they feel like you're not working out and there's someone better available, they'll slide you out of there and slide someone else back in. Joe Judge ain't having it. They're not playing. We want wins. We want people who's going to put in the work. It is what it is. So subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up, give me any comments or different opinions that you have in the comment section, and I will address them. Until next time, G Nation, as always,